Welcome to 707 Melrose in the heart of Hollywood in desirable 40502 in Lexington. You don't want to miss out on this updated bungalow with 3 beds, 2.5 baths in walking distance of UK, Kroger, amazing dining and shopping, and just minutes from downtown. Come be my neighbor.